Well, there it is. I've only got this bike for a few minutes, so I'm going to try and make this one short and sweet. But this is Ryland's well restored and upgraded XR400. There's a bit of a story behind this bike. Keen viewers will notice that it's had a few dollars spent on it, probably more than it's actually worth. Don't tell Ryland. However, this is actually the bike he learnt to ride on, so it's been in the family since it was brand new, and it's definitely got a bit of sentimental value, which burdens the pain on his wallet that's gone into it. It has had a full restoration, frame off, every bearing, bush, every piece of metal has been cleaned or vapor blast, and then he's fitted things like the FMF exhaust as an upgrade. It's got a brand new Mikuni carby on it. It has a 440 big bore kit in it. Gone for the golden tyres, good man. Upgraded rims and hubs, Talon hubs. He's not cheaped out on anything. And it's just, I've got to say, I'm not an XR fan. They're a bit before my time. But this thing looks sick. It's a really cool looking bike. We actually had the suspension in, I think it was about 6 months ago it came in to get the suspension set up for it. It was obviously quite a long and in-depth build. But yeah, I just thought I'd share it with the internet. It's not often you see this level of love and care going into something like this. And every customer that's come in for the few hours it's been here comments on it. It is a really cool looking bike. As you can see, just everything that can be cleaned or replaced has. Just slipped off my special stand. Gone for the braided brake line upgrade. Sorry if I'm going around the bike a bit quick, but I'm genuinely short of time. Anyway, we're going to give it a quick start up before it gets collected.